Hey, this is Dennis with Team Taboola, and in today's video I will be sharing with you the best native traffic sources. But before we jump into the content, please make sure to join our free Facebook group from Team Taboola by clicking the link in the description for more training about how to successfully make more money online. So let's get started. Hey guys, so here we are. So that's the list of our native traffic sources. I have listed 10 of them, and we're gonna go from the bottom to the top by monthly visits. And the first one is smartyads.com. So let's go through quickly what they say on their website. So they have some metrics from the traffic. Here you can have a look how actually the dashboard looks. Looks pretty cool and nice, simple. Time to manage campaigns take off, so you can contact them here, and that's it pretty much. So you can create your account on the top and start driving traffic. So the next one on the list is Native Advertising Network. So publishers and advertisers left and right. You can get started now, and they have a contact forum. So that would be all. So you're gonna need to contact them and create your account. So that was the second traffic source, and the third one is called Adnotcom. So Native Advertising Network. Yeah, I can tell they have pretty cool, nice website. Let's have a look. Native ads, content discovery, effective advertising, and product recommendations. Native advertising, let's say what they say. Global reach, okay. 160,000 publishers, 700 advertisers, 140 countries. Pretty cool. Our partners, events, and that's it. So you can create account with them and have a look what they can offer. So Adblade, it's the next one. So advertisers, publishers, join now, join now. Very simple website. Nothing to actually see right now, but that would be all. So you're gonna need to join and have a look what kind of traffic they have. So sharetrue.com, so it is perfect native ads, next on the list for every marketing strategy. So let's have a look quickly. So metrics, reach any audience for every strategy, expertise, yeah, that's pretty much. So that's sharetrue.com, and the next one is spowtable.com for publishers. So let's have a look what they can offer. Pre-zone optimization, okay, have 3 of them. Easy and effective to manage performance, so they have metrics. And contact us and get started in 5 minutes. So you know exactly how long it's gonna take. So 5 minutes, pretty cool. So next on the list is gemini.yahoo.com, advertise, so native and search advertising. So platform, so ad formats, they have a list here. You can have a look and get in touch with us. So that would be all from them. Create ad account now. So the next, it is revcontent.com. So discover the right audience at the right time. So you can sign up for your account, discover. So our reach, so they are actually 97% of US households. Pretty cool. Quality, traffic plus targeting, and join today. Beautiful. We have still 2 to go. So next is outbrain.com. So native advertising. So go native with Outbrain. So what is native? It's a little bit of tutorial here, how it looks like. So they explain a little bit on a simple way. Boost your native advertising and contact us to get started. All right, and the last one on the list is Taboola.com. So reach people at the right moments. So learn more, contact us. So they are pretty well known traffic source. So that's all for today's video, guys. So if you want to learn more how to make money online, please watch the following.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.